Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see completed task in Todoist. All right. As you can see here in the left panel, I don't have my completed task section. So what we're going to do to have it is just go ahead over to our profile right here at the top left. Just click on it and go ahead over to settings. Go ahead and go to the left pane right here. Just click on sidebar. Okay. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have the option for completed task. Just tick on this tick box and hit on update. Wait for it. And as you can see here, it is now being added. We're going to close this one and click completed. And here we have our completed tasks. All right. If you want to check each task, go ahead and click on this link. All right. For example, this one. There you go. We have the title and the description, the date and deadline, priority. If you have put some labels, you'll be able to see your labels right here and the reminders as well. Okay. And here on the top right, you'll be able to see actions like added task, updated task, completed task, uncompleted task. I'll click on it. As you can see here, I don't have any uncompleted task. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.